Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and are you sick of those tiny little fruit fly and gnats that you just cannot seem to get rid of? Well, that is how I felt this year until I got this insect trapper from Safer Home. This thing is absolutely amazing and has saved me from so many of those little annoying gnats flying around the house. What I love about it most is it gets the job done, and it gets it done well. So basically, they get stuck to the glue card and that's it, they're done. This cartridge plugs right into the outlet, and then a nice UV light shines through to attract the flying insects to the glue card, and then they get trapped and they are no more. What I love about it is I don't have to see the nasty flies getting stuck to the cartridge if I don't want to, but when I unplug it, flip it around, I can see that this cartridge is working super well and the light is attracting all the insects. I also really appreciate how discreet this is. We found that most of the fruit flies were in our kitchen, of course, and so I wanted something to be able to catch them and get them away from the kitchen. Even plugging this in our kitchen area, it doesn't feel disgusting. It is nice and discreet, and it flows right into the backsplash to be able to take care of those flies. I know you are just as annoyed with those little gnats too, so grab this insect trapper from Safer Home and watch those gnats disappear. But that's just my point of view.